Hi guys, welcome to Life Hack It. Today we're gonna talk about nearly effortless ways to improve your life. So let's go. Go back to the Thai restaurant. Spicy foods help you boost your metabolism and can help you lose weight. As dogs get older, they seem to forget to drink water. In order to make sure that they don't get dehydrated, add water to your senior dog's food in order to help them with hydration and overall health. Starbucks, we love the coffee. And if you keep their cup and do not throw it away, refills are only 50 cents. It seems like a chain reaction when somebody starts yawning. It's terrible, but according to research, yawning actually cools down your brain, which helps you get rid of stress. For those of us who have dogs and have to go outside and walk, well, this is fantastic. For those of you who do not have a dog, walking 20 minutes a day can cut your risk of having a stroke by over 50%. There are times when I have to get up in the morning and it's just so horrible. It seems like I don't even hear the alarm. Well, a strategy I read is change the tone of your alarm often. That way you do not get used to the sound, so you'll wake up sooner than later. It seems like the more I read about watermelon, the more I should eat it every day. Watermelon can help your skin look healthy and better because it helps you reduce acne breakouts. Earlier I mentioned about walking 20 minutes a day to cut the risk of having a stroke. Well, women who walk an hour a day reduce their risk of breast cancer by 14%. It is so confusing when you have a recipe and it says Fahrenheit or Celsius and you have to do this complicated mathematical equation. Simple way, close enough, is to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit by doubling the Celsius number and add 28. The more I read about fruits and vegetables, the more I am amazed by nature. Only the smell of bananas can help you lose weight. Another watermelon fantastic thing and why we should include it in our daily life. If you work out and want to prevent sore muscles, drink watermelon juice before. It helps you make sure your muscles are not really sore after. I bet you when you think of watermelon, you think of summer. Well, in the summer, it's so hot, watermelon is fantastic because it has high content of water. But watermelon does a lot more. It helps you with anxiety, it helps you with stress, and also it helps you boost your metabolism. It's so good to drink water. We talked about that earlier. And drinking water not only helps you with depression, as we mentioned, but also drinking 16 ounces of water will increase your metabolism by up to 30%. Gatorade is fantastic. It helps you with electrolytes. But if you want to have a healthier alternative, drink coconut water. It's the perfect sports drink. It replenishes all your electrolytes. Again, water, fantastic. Drinking water has actually been proven to efficiently relieve bloating. Friends, not only do you get entertained and have fun and create great memories, but according to research, surrounding yourself with positive people increases your life expectancy. You're listening to Pandora, and there is a song in particular that you just do not like. But you do not want to skip it because you don't want the commercials. No worries, just refresh the Pandora page. This way, the song will change without using any of your skips. So it seems like there is always at the office a pen thief. All your red pens do not disappear, but it seems like all the blacks and blues do. So here is a trick for you. Buy your red pen and remove the ink. Put the color of ink you like, such as blue or black, and just place it there. Nobody wants to steal a red pen. If you want to improve your diet, a cool trick is by eliminating any foods that have a mascot. That's usually a cereal or something sugary like that. If you're moving in and you are the only one doing the packing and unpacking, a technique will be to pack heavy items like your books in a rolling suitcase. You want to have a picture taken and you want your smile to look bigger in the photos. A cool trick is by squinting your eyes just a little. It will make your smile look bright and big. A cool trick for self-improvement is to make a password into a goal of yours so that you're constantly being reminded of it every time you type it in. This is a cool trick if you buy bread often. The color of the twists of the bread that you buy show the day it was shipped to the store. Keep an eye on it. It will be fun to figure it out. Working out is always fun, and the best thing is so healthy for you in so many aspects. Now, studies show that HIIT training, which is the high-intensity interval training, actually helps alleviate anxiety. I lose my phone all the time, and my glasses, and basically if my head wasn't attached, I will probably lose it too. So, trick to practice. Put things back where you first looked for them, not where you found them. Saving water nowadays is extremely important. There are places on the planet that have no water, so therefore, it's kind of nice to save. So, one way you can save water is by peeing in the shower. I know it sounds kind of gross, but if it's your own shower and you know you're gonna wash it anyway, you can save over 1,000 gallons of water a year. If you want to know what the FBI has on you, you can actually request a copy of the file the FBI has on you by sending them a letter. I know this may sound extremely embarrassing, but passing gas may actually be healthier than you think. Studies suggest that farting actually helps you reduce high blood pressure. Cherries and grapes are phenomenal, and if you know how to use them, they can help you a lot. Cherries can help you calm your nervous system, while grapes relaxes your blood vessels. So when babies are born, mothers produce a hormone called oxytocin. Now what's cool is if for any reason you have some physical problems, perhaps a physical wound, cuddling will produce oxytocin, which will help you heal it. Sleeping, the best thing that could happen every day. Now, I like to sleep on my side with tons and tons of pillows. If someone is pregnant, it's on their side. And if you have back problems, well, it depends on the issue. But in general, studies show that the best sleeping position for the body is on your back. Water, it cures everything. The more I read about it, the more I realize any issues you have, water seems to be at least one of the ways to cure it. And here's another one. Drinking a glass of water before a shower helps prevent high blood pressure. Another tip for losing weight is drinking green tea. Green tea is filled with antioxidants and all kinds of healthy stuff for you. And drinking at least 1 cup of green tea every day can help you lose weight around your stomach. Earlier, we talked about studies that suggest that sleeping on your back is generally the best position. But if you're trying to fall asleep really fast, sleeping on your right side helps you fall asleep much faster than on your left. Every once in a while, you just need to have a good crying. Crying is actually really healthy for you because it helps release extra stress hormones, which is why you feel better after. If you like this video, you definitely want to check out our new channel, Life Hack It. We're going to do tips and tricks, and we're going to experiment on the table and try different things that work, and some of them don't work. So that's what makes it really fun. So check it out. Also, for extra footage, check us out on Facebook at Life Hack It. Remember to click the bell icon after you subscribe so you can get instant notifications of all our new videos.